now, what if you lose the screen?
Yeah.
So wala na, di ba? Basically, the backup is up here. So kung wala kang screen, you still have your mirrors. You don't need the cameras. Nandiyan pa rin naman yung tatlo. And this is your ano na.
Okay.
So yun lang naman siya. So lagi may backup. To go to park, nagmamadali ka, remove your seatbelt. Automatic. So you can leave the car, it will lock for you. Wala siyang iiwan. Everything's off. Beginning, ignition pa. You
Yeah.
unlock the car, it's on. You get out of the car, it's off. Ganun kasimple lang.
Okay.
Here is your car settings. So sa car icon, lahat ng regarding kotse, dyan mo makikita. Basically, this is your whole dashboard. So the lights, if you notice, it's automatic. Adaptive kasi siya. Wipers, you can put it to auto na rin para pag umulan, siya na rin. But you can manually naman click it from your steering wheel if you want it on or hold it. Washer. Tapos sa mirrors, kung nagpapalit-palitan kayo ng kotse, you can set your own profile. So this is how you do it. You get your car, you go here, adjust this, left, right, and then save lang. So that's one profile. Steering din, telescopic, even the seats. So pag kay ma'am naka-profile yung kotse, when she unlocks it, automatically settings na mag-apply. Same goes to you. So mas madali na siya, hindi na yung manual ganyan every time magpapalit kayo. And then, balik tayo. Dynamics is basically your driving style. Yun lang yun. Chill mode for the city. If you want full potential of the car, full power, full torque, standard. So highways. Dun siya bagay. Is it okay if I show you a little bit of pull din?
Yeah.
Mamaya. Braking. So familiar ka na ba sa braking ni Tesla? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
So like what I mentioned, it's all gonna move. But you can drive this with one pedal. Yun ang kagandahan. Pag nasanay ka na. You click it a little bit, release, brakes. So if you're used to this, hindi ka na apak sa preno. Apak ka konti, slowly release it, it slowly brakes as well. So pag alam mong full stop na, bitaw. So sa traffic, ginagina na lang.
Okay.
If you're used to it. Pero aaralin mo siya, muscle memory kasi siya. But if you're not used to it, you can easily go to reduce. So para na siyang automatic. Pag medyo mabilis, kailangan mo nang gumamit ng brakes. Hindi na ganun kalakas yung stopping power niya. Pero pag standard, sanay ka na, backup mo na lang to.
Okay.
Steering on the fly, even while driving, you can change it, tumitigas, lumalambot yung manibela. Self-driving, yes, it does work. Yung autopilot. Type C's. So basically, you can charge it. So yun lang, ikot ko muna kayo isa lang. Napaka-brakes. You engage this. Drive. So yan. Ang cameras ng Tesla, by the way, this has 9 in total. So, nagre-record din yun. It will serve as your dash cam. So, you'll notice later when we get out, you'll see everything in the road accurately. So, hindi siya sensor. Palamig, init kasi.
Yung Tesla Model 3 nyo, yun yung...
Ito yan, ito.
Oo. Magkano siya ngayon?
It starts at 1.8. The highest trim is 3.1.
Wow.
So, ngayon, maganda ring test drive na to kasi trick na trick ang araw. You know if it's coming from the roof or from the windshield. So, if you notice sa likod, it has enough light pero it doesn't cook you.
Yeah.
It's this. Ito ang mainit.
Yeah.
So, ang likod mo kasi tinted na, but itong tatlo, hindi pa. So, yung likod, kaya yan eh. Ganyan, masisikip na ganyan, open mo yung cameras from here, kita mo yung dalawang gilid ng kotse. So, kung takot ka sa gutter, ayan, kita mo yung gulong, kita mo yung gutter. At the same time here. Tapos yeah, when not pressing the brake, apak lang onte, and then dahan-dahan bitaw, and then pag ramdam mo titigil na, let go. So, hindi ko na kailangan lagay sa neutral every time, hindi ko na kailangan babaran yung preno. So, the easiest way for you to understand it is when you're sitting here na, you'll get it na it's as simple as it is. Sobrang ano lang, overwhelming lang, kasi if you think of it as, if you read it lang online or you watch it online, medyo maraming nangyayari. But kung nandito ka na, you realize it's a go-kart. Basically, a big golf cart. There you go, hapak ng preno, and then you swipe up.
Swipe up.
Hazard is on top, soft touch, then you're ready to drive. Kotse lang.
So, dito na.
Yan, di ba?
Ano, kasi nga,
Kailangan mo lang sunahin talaga. So, muscle memory kasi natin is to release.
release agad eh. Oh,
Yes.
yeah, because of the brake.
Pero you see how convenient it is sa traffic.
Yeah.
Yan niya. Pag ganyan, pwede mo nang bitawan.
Ano? Galing ah.
One pedal.
Yeah. 4K, pero 30 FPS lang.
Yeah, tama lang.
Para hindi masyadong malaki yung
Do you
memory.
render it in 4K or you render it lower? Like when you save it?
2K.
Ah, pwede.
Pag nire-render ko na siya. 2K.
For YouTube or...
Oo, YouTube.
May channel kayo?
Oo. Ano lang sa akin, personal. Alam mo, ang ganda nung interior ni Tesla.
It's clean eh.
Yeah.
Pero to some, it's...
Parang
lang.
too
Oh,
bare.
okay.
But technically you're looking at a MacBook and a Windows
Mhm.
computer or an
Yeah.
iPhone and an Android. Kanan tayo dito.
Okay. Yeah.
It's very clean. I
If you're
really like
into
it.
a lot of things happening in your dashboard, it's not a Tesla.
Uh-huh.
Pero kung habol mo simplicity at
Tesla.
tech, yeah, shipment,
Delivery kayo. Ayun, yung brakes.
you'll get used to it.
Yeah. Galing ano? Kayo lang ba may one pedal?
It started with us.
Oo,
So
yeah.
BYD Toyota has it. Yung regenerative braking na tinatawag, that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's us.
Galing ano?
Imagine mo pag sanay ka na, hindi ka na yung
Yeah.
jerky na. It's
Oo.
gonna be like any normal braking, pero you
Braking.
won't know na it's one pedal lang.
That's it.
Ayun, nakahang siya. Mag-right tayo dyan later.
Okay, right.
You can turn it off for the meantime. Do you want it off?
Yung ano, yung...
Pwede mong i-lessen yung braking power.
Okay. Sa
So,
settings.
Pero at fast-paced driving, most likely you have to press the brake na.
Oo,
At
yeah,
low-paced, hindi kailangan.
Yeah.
Pwede siyang i-off. Pwede siyang
Pagka
i-reduce.
yung ano talaga, very useful for traffic.
Yeah. Traffic, hanging conditions, yan.
Kanan tayo.
Kanan po tayo.
Okay.
Tapos after this is all you.
Mhm.
Ito na yung road mo.
Okay. Okay.
Sayo-sayo to.
Nice. Hindi naman siya matagtag pala eh. Sabi ng mga ano, may nakapagsabi sa akin matagtag daw ang Tesla.
Depende. It's a preference eh.
Oo.
Kasi I have clients na they've driven the Mercedes, the BMs,
Aha.
known for good suspension, right?
Yeah.
Pero natatagtagan pa rin sila. So depende.
Oh, ganun.
It's a taste eh.
Kasi
Siguro hindi tagtag yung naririnig nila. It's more of the road eh. Rinig mo yung
Yeah.
kali. Kasi
Oo.
tahimik.
Correct.
Kaya akala mo tagtag siya.
Oo.
Pero sa likod, very comfortable for me.
Tsaka luwag.
Yes.
Legroom.
Diretso na tayo.
Diretso. Ayaw nyo mag-shoot ng 0.5. It's way wider. Yung action, hindi nyo pa na-try.
Hindi ko pa natatry.
Ang lawak. Kasi ang lawak niya. That's what I use pag mga scenery eh. Pero may onting fish eye.
Yun,
May
yun
onting
medyo ano ako sa
distortion.
fish eye eh. Medyo na parang ano ako sa fish eye kasi.
Yun yung sakit ng GoPro naman.
Oo,
Fish eye.
fish eye. Tingnan natin.
Ayan.
Tapos, ayun oh, parang
Ayan, you're slowly releasing it. So see the difference?
yeah, oo nga.
Once na makuha mo siya, then let go na. Timing.
Galing ano?
Hindi siya parang, ano ba yan? Parang,
Jerky?
Yeah, no
Hindi,
jerky.
depende na yun sa
Depende sa driver.
how you
Oh,
are used to it.
oh yeah, okay.
Oo, pagka ano ka na. Ito yung couple.
Kaya yung hilo effect na sinasabi na minsan nakakahilo,
Mm.
it's when Tesla driver, the one driving is not used to it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Makes
Kasi you can do it
sense.
smoothly talaga eh.
Oo,
Pero hindi
yeah.
lang talaga sanay pa yung iba.
Iba.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I get it. Tsaka, gustong-gusto ko yung infotainment niya.
It's basically like an iPad.
Yeah,
Yung
oo.
interface niya, yung
Ang bilis
walang
nung...
lag.
Yeah, ang bilis nung ano, interface.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a U-turn. So heads up. Saan ang bigay sila?
Feeling ko bibigay ito fans.
And that's a ultra red, the one in front of you.
Aha. Ganda rin ng red eh. Kaso mas maano yung puti. Bagay sa klima natin.
Yeah. White, silver.
It's mga white silver.
Ayan yung dalawang, although it's total opposites, white is free, silver is the most expensive color.
Ah, talaga?
Oh.
Yeah, 146,000
Wow.
for the color alone. That's why most of the time na you get to pass by a Tesla, it's pearl white. Pansin mo halos lahat puti.
Yeah, oo.
It's free, at the same time it's a demand eh. Sa Pilipinas, mahilig Pinoy sa puti.
Yeah,
Hindi naman siya taxi white, so it's a win-win eh. Pearl eh.
Yeah, pearl. Tsaka kasi yung heat din eh.
Yeah.
Hindi nagre-reflect yung init agad. Unlike kung black. Parang bihira nga yung black na Tesla eh.
Bihira. It's nice,
Oo.
pero as long as you maintain it. Kasi you can see it more, swirls.
Yeah,
Dust.
oo.
Pag hindi marunong pumunas ng car
Yeah.
wash, you'll see it.
Kawawa yung pink.
That's why it's candidate for ceramic coating yan. Saka
Oo.
PPF, ang
Black.
ang black. But it's nice. It's
Oo.
really slick. It looks smaller though.
Yeah. Oo, mas maliit yung
Puti kasi malapad tignan eh.
Yung Tesla Model 3,
Mhm.
same lang sila ng
It's a little bit more grounded.
Oo,
It's my
yung medyo-
it's my preference lang.
Oo.
So, mas mababa siya, mas sporty ang pakiramdam, mas grounded at mas masikip lang. Syempre, it's a sedan.
Oo, sedan.
Pero if it's gonna be your personal, like the two of you, pwede na yun.
Pwede na. Oo.
Pwede na yun. Lalo na kung may malaki ka na car. You can
Yeah.
use that for daily. And pogi siya.
Oo.
Mas pogi yung 3 eh. Pero
Parang-
yun nga, you lose the space.
Oo.
So it's the same interior.
Yeah. Same everything.
Yeah. Same computer, same safety features,
Yeah.
cameras,
Kumbaga size lang.
size lang talaga.
Magmamatter yung size.
Left lane po tayo. Leftmost lane.
Pwede mag-left dito.
Okay na ba sila or gusto mong isa pa? Pwede mo U-turn.
I'm fine na. Gusto ko lang
Tsaka tama yung timing mo kasi maaraw.
curious
You'll know if this will
Yeah, yung
Yeah,
this will be a
mag-work.
problem eh. Well, sa Maselan, meron pa rin kasi mahilig sa ayaw na maarawan. This is UV protected na eh.
Oo, pero
Pero may masiselan kasi talaga. So actually yung May is the best month to do it.
Yeah.
Ito yung pinakamainit eh.
Pinakamainit
So most of
natin.
the year you won't need it. You can actually manage eh.
Oo.
Pero yung meron iilan ngayon na talagang naluluto daw, I don't see it though.
Mm.
Kasi hindi lang siguro sila sa sanay na ganyan.
Oo, yeah.
Full moon roof eh.
Yeah. Diretso lang tayo.
Mag-right tayo dyan.
Alright. Hindi ko kasi kabisa.
BGC.
Anytime with care.
Yes po. Okay. Ayun, ito na pala tayo sa Tesla. Yeah.
Nice. Like it. So yung, doon ako na-curious talaga sa one pedal.
It's something to get used to pero kahit dyan na lang po sa harapan ng Model 3.
Okay. Dito lang.
Tapos sa hazard na lang natin. Okay, there you go.
Galing soft touch.
Ayun, okay na tayo dito.
Okay na.
And then, yeah, to lock or go to park, just remove the seatbelt po. Diretso na yan.
Galing, ang galing, ang galing. Thank you. Thank you.
Here's
Max. Grabe yung headroom, magtaas. And siya, full moon roof. Laka rin yung trunk space. Controls ng AC. USB-C. Ganda. It's really premium. So what? Out of budget? 2.3. Yun nun siya. Pero wag. Hindi siya ganun ka. Well, taas. Pero pag taas na siya. Close. May small